Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove Meta AI from Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So now as you can see, this is Meta AI for Instagram. So this is the page of media. So if in any case you have integrated this Meta AI to your Instagram, and you will see some Meta AI chatbots, and you want to remove this. So what you want to do is exit out of Instagram and go to your phone settings. Once you are in your settings, from here go to your app settings and all of your apps will display here. So, search for Instagram and select Instagram here. Now scroll down until you find storage and click on it. Now you want to clear cache and clear the data. But take note, if you clear the data, you will need to log in again to your account. But after doing this, the Meta AI will now be removed from your Instagram. So that's basically how you can remove Meta AI from Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.